Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Whether you're building out your dream home lab, stepping up your home network game, or just need a solid, reliable place to put all your tech, today we're diving deep into the world of server racks. Specifically, we're checking out the top 4 server racks of 2025. We're talking about the features, the build quality, and of course, the price, to help you figure out which one is the perfect fit for your setup. Let's get started. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. Alright, first up we've got the Sysracks server rack. This one comes in at a cool $399, and for that price you're getting an 18U rack. Now 18U might seem like overkill for a home setup, but trust me, it's all about future-proofing. You never know when you might need that extra space for like a new NAS, a server upgrade, you name it. Plus, the Sysracks rack has this really clean minimalist design. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done. The Sysracks rack is built like a tank. Seriously, this thing is sturdy. It's made from cold-rolled steel, which basically means it can handle a ton of weight. So, if you've got a bunch of heavy-duty equipment, this rack can definitely take it. One of the things I really appreciate about the Sysracks rack is the attention to detail. They've included these little rubber grommets on all the cable management holes. It's a small thing, but it makes a big difference in keeping your cables neat and tidy and preventing any accidental snags. And speaking of cable management, the Sysracks rack has plenty of options for routing your cables. You've got these nice wide channels in the back, and there are even dedicated cable management arms included. Another thing I like about the Sysracks rack is the locking mechanism. It's a simple key lock, but it's effective. Overall, the Sysracks server rack is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and well-built rack. Next up, we're taking a look at the NavePoint 12U server rack enclosure. This one's a bit more compact than the Sysracks, coming in at 12U, and it's also a bit more affordable at $185.99. Now, for a lot of home users, 12U is going to be more than enough space. It's perfect for a small home network, a media server, or even a gaming rig. One of the standout features of the NavePoint rack is the glass door. The glass door not only looks really sleek, but it also lets you keep an eye on your equipment without having to open the rack. And speaking of the door, it's lockable, of course, for added security. It also has a really nice, smooth hinge mechanism, so it opens and closes really easily. Now, in terms of build quality, the NavePoint rack is surprisingly sturdy for the price. It's made from steel, and it feels really solid. It's not quite as heavy-duty as the Sysracks rack, but it's definitely more than capable of handling a typical home network setup. The NavePoint rack also comes with a built-in cooling fan. The fan helps to keep your equipment cool, which is essential for performance and longevity. Cable management is another area where the NavePoint rack excels. It's got plenty of cable management options, including these nice removable cable management panels on the back. Overall, the NavePoint 12U server rack enclosure is an excellent value for the price. If you're looking for an affordable and compact rack, the NavePoint is definitely worth considering. Alright, moving right along to the ECHOGEAR 12U network rack. This one's priced at $299.99. And it sits right in between the Sysracks and NavePoint in terms of both size and price. Now what sets the ECHOGEAR rack apart is its focus on ease of use and installation. They really emphasize making this rack beginner-friendly, and that shows in the design. Right out of the box, the ECHOGEAR rack comes with everything you need to get started, including shelves, a pre-mounted fan, and all the mounting hardware. And the best part is the assembly process is incredibly straightforward. They've even included really clear, easy-to-follow instructions. So, even if you're not super tech-savvy, you can put this rack together without any headaches. The ECHOGEAR rack also features a lockable, reversible door, so you can choose whether you want the door to swing open to the left or the right, which is a nice touch for flexibility in different setups. In terms of build quality, the ECHOGEAR rack is solid. It's made from steel, and it feels really sturdy. It's not quite as heavy-duty as the Sysracks, but it's definitely more than enough for most home users. One of the things I really appreciate about the ECHOGEAR rack is the depth. It's got a 600mm depth, which is plenty of space for even larger AV components. Overall, the ECHOGEAR 12U network rack is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, well-built, and versatile rack. Last but not least, we have the Artake 12U wall mount rack server cabinet. This one comes in at $149.99, making it the most affordable rack on our list today. Don't let that price tag fool you though. The Artake rack still packs in a lot of value for the money. Like the NavePoint, the Artake rack features a sleek glass door. It gives you that premium look and allows you to see your equipment without having to open the rack. And of course, the door is lockable for security. The Artake rack is also surprisingly well built for the price. It's made from steel, and it feels sturdy enough for a typical home network setup. It might not be as heavy-duty as some of the other racks on this list, but it's definitely more than adequate for most home users. One of the things that impressed me about the Artake rack is the attention to detail. They've included these little rubber grommets on all the cable management holes, which is a nice touch. It helps to keep your cables neat and tidy and prevents any accidental snags. Speaking of cable management, the Artake rack has plenty of options for routing your cables. The Artake rack also comes with a built-in cooling fan. The fan helps to keep your equipment cool, which is essential for performance and longevity. Overall, the Artake 12U wall mount rack server cabinet is an incredible value for the price. So, there you have it, our top 4 server rack picks for 2025. Whether you're going for maximum space with the Sysracks, digging that sleek glass door on the NavePoint and Artake, or prioritizing ease of use with the ECHOGEAR, there's a rack out there for every setup and budget. No more messy cables, no more precarious stacks of equipment, just clean, organized tech. Drop a comment down below and let me know which one you're thinking about picking up, or maybe you've got your eye on something else entirely. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.